Weeding vinyl just got a whole lot easier and way less messy. If you've ever had to weed an HTV transfer with lots of small cavities and details, then you know how annoying it can be to deal with all of those mini scraps that get weeded out. I've seen people try things from tiny little trash cans to double-sided tape and everything in between. But you can put all of that away now thanks to the HPN CraftPro Vinyl Scrap Catcher. Once you try this clever little tool, you'll wonder how you ever weeded HTV without it. Made of a soft, flexible rubber, the Vinyl Scrap Catcher fits comfortably over 2 fingers like a double ring. This keeps it close to the action while freeing up both hands to work. In one quick action, place the end of your weeding tool in the top, then pull it out through one of the slits, catching your vinyl scrap. Your scraps will stay off of your workspace and out of your way. Messy weeding is now a thing of the past. The HPN CraftPro Vinyl Scrap Catcher is available now in mint and pink. You can find them and all of your other heat transfer equipment and supplies at heatpressnation.com.